Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make all your TikTok videos private at once using a simple method. Let's start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. Find the app icon on your home screen and tap on it to launch the app. Once you're inside the app, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see all your uploaded videos. Next, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will bring up a list of customization options for your account. Scroll through the options and tap on Privacy. On the Privacy page, you will see the option to make your account private. To do this, simply toggle on the switch for Private Account. When this option is enabled, only users you approve can view your videos, and any unapproved followers will no longer have access to your content. This method ensures that all your videos are private without needing to adjust the settings for each video individually. It's a fast and effective way to manage your content. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.